What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Breaking Binders channel. Now today I have this lovely Charizard GX box. Also, I got a bunch of random boosters, but I've been wanting to open up this for a long time. I went to Targets, Walgreens, everywhere trying to find this. I was gonna buy it online, but I really wanted that Charizard GX full art. So let's rip into this. Just give me a second here. Please remember, if you like the videos, thumbs up, subscribe. It's a new channel, so I'm trying to put some content out there for everybody. Ah, there we go. Let's see what comes in this bad boy. We get a nice coin. We get a nice Charizard coin. That's upside down. We got a nice Charmeleon holo. And the card that I really wanted. I bought the whole box for. If I don't bend it by the time it gets out. I've seen a lot of people doing these, but I finally only just found mine. There it is. The Charizard GX full art. I'll add that to the binder. We got a lovely Charizard pin. It's kind of cool. Now, oh, we also got a Charmander holo. Let's see what the boosters are. We got a Burning Shadows, Guardians Rising, Sun and Moon, Steam Siege, another Burning Shadows, and another Guardians Rising. I will start giving out the code cards as soon as people start watching. So hopefully I could get some views and give out some of these code cards. Now we got a giant Charizard GX. I'll put that right there. I'll put our nice Charizard full art up there. And here we go. What should we do first? Put these together. Hopefully out of these Burning Shadow packs we could get the Hyper Rare Charizard that I've been opening tons of packs for and have not pulled it yet. Okay, so Sun and Moon base set. Here we go. And that, do the card trick. We have Dark Energy. I don't know who that is. Trainer Switch. Hypno, that's a cool looking one. Psyduck. Bounsweet. Lillipup. Dratini, one of my favorite Pokemon. Wingull. The reverse. Ooh, man. Yeah, it's a reverse rare Arcanine. And the rare. Oh, sweet. Boom! Dragonite holo. That was a perfect pack right there. Two cards that I do not have. That's right there. Next up, we got some Steam Siege. Toss it aside. Okay, 1, 2, 3 in the front. I don't want to screw it up. Fletch Finder, Tangrowth, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Shellos, Crowagunk, Mankey, Apom, Drifloom, and the reverse. Ooh, another Persian. Is that a rare? I can't really. Nope. Who do we got? Chandelure. Oh, it is a holo. I can't really tell in the camera. Nice. 2 for 2. Put those up there. Hopefully our luck continues. Keep going. Which one was that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a water energy. Ice cream. Holla. Holla. Mudbray. Delibird. Tentacool. Stuffle. Alolan Sandshrew. Oricorio. And a Sharpedo. One of my favorites. I wish he was a holo. But regular rare. Now, if anybody's watching, I just heard the new Pokemon Sword and Shield announcement. I can't wait for it. I just played the Eevee and Pikachu. I used to play the remake of the first one, and I loved it. It was great. 1, 2, 3 Guardians, right? Yeah. 4. I screwed up. Nope, I didn't. Psychic. Another one of these trainers. Ooh, Tentacruel. That's a cool looking one. Mallow. Cottony. Bellsprout. Gligar. Patrat. That's a weird looking Pokemon. Snortrunt. It's the reverse Muddale and a Whiscash. So, no goes on that one. Oh, I'm knocking over my camera. Now, here we go. Burning Shadows. This is the one we gotta get to. This is one with a hit saw. We need them. So, looking for that hyper rare Charizard. We have Electric Energy, Ribombe, Kirlia, Olivia, Inkay, Cabrola, Tynamo, Bowl of Spaghetti, Ralts. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Reverse Gyarados. I don't really like the artwork on that one, but... And... Tortenor. Whatever his name. So, nothing on that one either. Last Burning Shadows pack. Give me some good luck on this. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Leaf Energy. Ooh, your boy Guzma. Solrock. Plumeria. Venipede. Sandgast. Caterpie. Ladybug. Inkay. Is that another reverse Gyarados? Jeez. 2 in a row. And... damn. Nothing. So we got 2 reverse Gyarados out of that, but that was about it. So now we got the newest, we got some Team Up, and some Crimson Invasion. I haven't opened a lot of the Crimson Invasion, so I'll save that for last. But the newest set, Team Up, we got a bunch of sick cards in. A bunch of really cool ones. Team Up cards. I pulled a few of the Hyper Rare, which people said is really hard to pull, but I didn't find so. I've got a bunch of really good cards out of this one. You got Metal Energy, Pupitar, Kakuna, Nidorino, Emolga. I like the artwork on that. Magikarp, one of my favorites too, with the Gyarados. Execute, Heliotile, Meowth, Dangerous Drill, and the rare, Mandibuzz. I always pull that one. Come on, we're looking for some tag team stuff. I got a whole booster box of tab keeping coming up, so hopefully get some views. I got a whole pile of it, so we got a Dark Energy, Tauros, Lavender Town, War Turtle, Mareep, Vulpix, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle. Oh, look at that one. Reverse Nidoran, and the rare is a Nidoking. Regular rare. So, nothing on the new team-ups. So, let's go for the Crimson Invasion. I'm not too sure what's the best cards to pull in this set, so... what did I do? No, there's one. Yeah, I screwed it up. I screwed it up already. We got a Dark Energy. Gastrodon. Sea of Nothingness. Miltank. Pumpkinaboo. A Crayfish. Starly. Skidoo. Weedle. Another Weedle. And the rare. Octillery. Regular rare. So, nothing in that one either. Alright, come on. Two more packs. Crimson Invasion. Give us something good. Give us something good out of here. 4. We got a Water Energy. Another Sea of Nothingness. Counter Energy. Gladion. Butterbelly. Shellos. That's a cool good one. Mankey. Jangamo. Counter Catcher. And the rare. Oh, look at that Gengar. I already have one, but oh. Look at that sneaky little thing in the back. Looking around that wall. Alright. Our last pack. Give us something really good in this one to end it all off. Steel Energy. Another Miltank. We got Shellos. Mankey. Jangamo. Swalo. Swablu. And the rare? No. Nothing. Miss Mangius. I've never seen him before. But, regular rare card. So we did get a few good hollows. The main thing I wanted to get was that full art Charizard, so it was good for me. So we got the reverse Swablu. We get a regular rare, that Gengar hollow. Right. We got the 2 reverse Gyarados, the Mudsdale, Whiscash. These are regular rares. Where's the good one? Shenlua, the Arcanine, and the Dragonite Hollow. So we got a few good cards in here, but there he is. So thank you again for watching. If you can, thumbs up the video, subscribe, smash that like button. I have a bunch of videos in the future, so thank you for coming back to the Breaking Binders channel.